In this video, I'll show you how to watch anime through a VPN, so you can access shows and movies that might not be available in your country. Many anime streaming platforms restrict content to certain regions. If you try to watch popular anime from outside those regions, you'll often see an error message, missing episodes, or completely blocked access. Even if you have an account, your location is detected through your IP address, and the platform limits what you can watch. The easiest and completely legal way to watch anime from anywhere is by using a VPN. A VPN lets you appear as if you're browsing from a different country, unlocking region-restricted content while still using the official streaming sites. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN, because it's fast, reliable, and works on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and even smart TVs. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description. Now let me walk you through how to do this on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer, install it, and then open the app. Log in to your NordVPN account. Once logged in, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Choose the country whose anime library you want to access. For example, Japan is often the best choice for full access to anime titles. Click on Japan and wait until NordVPN confirms you're fully connected to the server. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go directly to your preferred anime streaming platform, such as Crunchyroll, Funimation, or Netflix. If the site was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page, or close and reopen your browser to apply the new location. Now browse the library and select the anime you want to watch. You should have access to shows that were previously blocked in your country. If a video doesn't load or you see an error, go back to NordVPN, disconnect, and reconnect to another server in Japan or the desired country. Then refresh the streaming platform and try again. Keep NordVPN connected while watching for the best experience. NordVPN provides high-speed servers optimized for streaming, so you can watch anime in HD without buffering. NordVPN also protects your connection while streaming. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like a kill switch and threat protection, keeping your activity private and secure. So, to sum it up, watching anime through a VPN is simple and 100% legal. Connect to a server in the country that has the anime you want, open the streaming platform, and enjoy shows in movies that weren't available in your region. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching anime from anywhere today.